This is Teresa at Rooster Creek. I wanted to let you know some of the things that are going on in our store right now. This is our new fabrics that we've been getting in, the quilting treasures. This is our second shipment, and then we've got another shipment coming next week. They're gorgeous. You won't want to miss them. We also have on this table, you're looking at new kits that we're putting together. These are based on the patterns made by Donna Robertson. She writes these books. I think she has 5 books on 3-yard quilts. We do carry them, and each book has 8 patterns in it, which is, I think, a real good deal. So what you do is we have put together some 3-yard coordinates, 3 yards of coordinates, and then you pick which one you like, and you pick your pattern, and then you make your quilt. This particular pattern we've sold out, but we're making more, so we will have them. And your quilt will be around 40 something by almost 60. So it makes a nice size quilt. The other thing I wanted to talk about is the quilt show. This year we're going to be at Union Hill. The dates are July 11th, 12th, and 13th. We will have vendors, we'll have, of course, quilts, and we're going to have Hallie Bone. She's an appraiser. She's going to be back this year. If you would like to have an appointment with Hallie to have your quilt appraised, please call, and I wouldn't wait because she fills up so quickly. We would also love to have your quilt in our show. We'll start accepting quilts for the show on July 1st. So you just come on in, and we've got a paper you can fill out. You can also come by the store and pick one up, or if you call us, we can email you one. I can't think of anything else except that I think you need to come see us, and have a good day.